In this video, we'll be discussing how to use Team Driving within the Samsara Driver app. Before we begin, it is important to note that only one device is needed to use Team Driving inside of the Samsara Driver app. The first driver will log into the app with their credentials as normal. And once logged in, we can navigate to the Driving Team tile to add in our team driver. Once on this page, we can press Add Passenger, input our team driver's credentials, and once both users are signed in, we can see here on the driving team page that the first user signed in will be indicated as the driver, and the second will be the passenger by default. When navigating throughout the Samsara Driver app in Team Driving mode, only one account can be viewed at a time. This means that any logs viewed or duty statuses changed will be for the user that we're currently viewing. We can confirm which account is being viewed by the viewing account status next to a team driver's role. Again, in this case, by default, it's going to be assigned to the driver. When we navigate to the home screen, again, we confirm the first user is signed in and we're viewing their account. And to change duty statuses, we'll click on the duty status button and go on duty from here. For a team driving scenario, our second driver will either need to be in sleep or berth, off duty, or on duty. For this example, let's set our second driver to sleep or berth. To do that, we're going to go to the driving team tile again. We're going to press View Accounts for the passenger. And then when navigating back to the home page, we can confirm that the second driver is selected for the account view. We can click on the duty status tile, select sleeper berth, and then save. Now, the first driver should be ready to begin their shift and start driving. When the second driver is ready to begin their shift, and the first driver is ready to end, simply go back to the Team Driving tile, and we can now select the passenger to be set as driver. Doing so, we can see that the roles have now swapped. Again, our passenger needs to either be in off duty, on duty, or sleeper berth status. So we'll select our first driver to view their account. Go back to the home page, select duty status, and for this example, we'll put this driver in sleeper berth. When both drivers have completed their shifts, simply tap on the sign out button on the home page screen. This should sign out both drivers at once and is how you use Team Driving within the Samsara Driver app.